Do you want to quickly turn a long paragraph into easy-to-read bullet point? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a bullet points feature in Writing Assist that can automatically organize selected text into a concise bullet list. Let me show you how. First, open a web page in Samsung Internet. Then select the text you want to convert. Keep in mind that the selected text must contain between 200 and 10,000 characters to use this feature. Next, from the pop-up menu, tap Writing Assist icon, then tap Bullet Point. In a few moments, your phone converts the selected text into a bulleted list. Here, you can use several options. Tap Edit to manually modify the bullet point. Tap Copy to copy the bullet point to your clipboard, or tap Share to send them using your preferred sharing method. For this example, let's tap Copy. Now you can paste the bullet point into another app such as Samsung Note or a messaging app. And that's how you turn text into bullet point in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.